Russia is ready to tap India as a global aeronautics manufacturing base and is willing to partner local firms in developing the technological and production capabilities in the aviation sector. An official representing a delegation from the country said during bilateral talks held here. India, on its part, expressed eagerness to jointly develop iron ore and coal mines in Russian territory and sought technical inputs on producing high-grade cold-rolled, grain-oriented steel, typically used in power transmission equipment. Ramesh Abhishek, Secretary, Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion in the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, led the bilateral talks held under the aegis of an India-Russia working group on modernization and industrial cooperation. The Russian delegation was headed by the Deputy Minister of Industry and Trade Alexander Potapov. While both sides acknowledged the mutual interest in expanding bilateral cooperation between Russian and Indian companies in different sectors, more focused discussions were held on modernization, mining, fertilizers and civil aviation. Civil aviation. In the civil aviation sector, Russian side declared its readiness to participate in the Make in India program in order to develop technological and production capabilities of the Indian side in this field and potential supplies of the jointly produced equipment to third countries, according to a statement issued by the Commerce and Industry Ministry. The Russians also reiterated their interest in the possible participation of Russian companies in the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor in mining and metallurgy. The two sides agreed to exchange information on potential areas for cooperation in view of India's request to develop coalfields and iron ore mines in Russia, according to the statement.